Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add music from TikTok to Spotify. So when you're scrolling through your TikTok For You page and you're just finding a really fun or interesting or cool sound that you want to add to your Spotify playlist but you don't know the name, or you just can't find it on Spotify, then here's how you can still add it to Spotify and add it to your playlist. So all you need to do is click on home, and what you need to do is you need to scroll down on your For You page till you find a song that you find funny or that you at least want to add to your Spotify. Now, with most of the songs after this little TikTok update, you can now literally add songs to your Spotify. So we can see right now this video. I want to add this song to my Spotify. And literally what I just do is here at the name of that song, you will see this little button called Add Song. So when I click on it, I can literally right now just add this song from TikTok to my Spotify or Apple Music. So we're going to do it on Spotify. All you need to do is click on Spotify, just like this. Once you've done that, you need to click on Open right here. And now, it's literally just added to your liked song, as you guys can see. Add it to your library or liked songs. Spotify may ask permission in order to do this, but that's completely normal. Just click on Allow and then it will be added to your liked songs. To find your liked songs, all you need to do is click on your library. Alright, so then you will literally just find your liked songs right here at the top of your playlist. So you can simply click on that and then you will literally see that exact song we just found over on TikTok, on Spotify. And then you can obviously just add it to your playlist by clicking on those three dots. And then you can click on Add Playlist and you can choose any playlist you want. So yeah, that's basically how you can add music from TikTok to Spotify with this new update. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.